Please tell me you're from DedSec. If you don't tell me you're from DedSec, I think I might actually be crazy.
I'm with DedSec.
Oh, thank God. Oh, I barely got out of that horrible place and then I got contacted by a Bagley. But it was being really rude and yeah, it just didn't seem real. But it is real, isn't it?
Right, the sooner you tell me the problem, the sooner I can do something about it.
Well, I don't know, like, everything's fuzzy. Like, I just need a while to get my head right. The rude Bagley said you had a safe house I could use. I'll help you out in the meantime.
Welcome to the team, mate.
It's a selfless act that we should all acknowledge and applaud.
We need more badass folks like you on our team. Glad to have you.
Banging! I'm gassed. When do we start bashing heads in?
Glad to hear it.
I'm DedSec. What's vexing you?
God, really? I thought you might be interested in my date last night.
Aye, sounds like a right laugh.
Not like that. He was just this normal man, very arrogant, spoke about how he can expense whatever he wants because he has dirt on his boss.
What's this got to do with me?
Because he works for Jack Heath, CEO of Evangeline's auction house. Heath could interest you. Many of his clients are literal criminals. I expect him to be one too. So this dirt my date's got, it's likely something serious.
You in for another date?
Can't. I met him on Puller, and he has already changed his preferences. I'm not his type anymore. He's all yours.
Right, I'll look into it.
It seems our man Gareth Hendricks updates his preferences nearly every day. Right now, he's looking for a professional getaway driver.
For real?
He must want a thrilling criminal romance. I mean, I get it. I once had a fling with a North Macedonian botnet. Fortunately, we've got a getaway driver in stock. I hope this isn't a bad time, but we need your particular skill set for something.
R is ready to help.
Hello, I'm sorry to tell you, but your dating preferences have been hacked by me.
Excuse me?
Oh, calm down. I did it for a mission, mostly. Seems you're a match with our friend Gareth Hendricks, and I had to get his attention. Go and meet him over at Seven Dials Pub. The Resistance needs your charms.
All right.
Remember?
Yo,
Well, this is always an expectation versus reality moment, isn't it?
I prefer the real thing. It's a lot safer that way, you know what I mean?
Agreed. Can I shout you a lager?
Damn, the premium stuff? Are you all money or no?
Hardly, but yeah, I'm charging it to my boss, so don't be shy.
Oh, God. Now that's a story.
That's right. If it's rare, Jack Heath is there, converting it into yachts and cars. He doesn't care that it's stolen or part of some culture's heritage, and yours truly has got his number.
What about all the things he's stolen? They're all just collecting dust somewhere?
Fuck no, he's all about the money. He just facilitates the sales for the ones with the layers, for a substantial fee.
I don't know why, but it really gets me going.
Another?
All right. Oh, God, turn everything off.
Thank you for your sacrifice.
Once in a while is fine.
All right, fill us in, and don't skip the details.
Oh, you're not gonna believe this. Jack Heath is smuggling Egyptian artifacts for real.
Sounds like we need to call up someone a bit closer to the action. Let me introduce you to Sabra Gamal, DedSec Cairo's intel expert. She's like their more fallible version of me. Sabra, this is DedSec London. London, Sabra.
Hey, what's up?
We stumbled on what looks like a smuggling operation. Egyptian artifacts, to be exact. Does that say anything to you?
Sure does. We've long suspected Egypt's Minister for Antiquities of robbing government archives and funneling the proceeds to an extremist insurgent group. If your contact is part of the operation, it could be the break we need.
Interesting. What else you have?
Yeah, he is a scumbag.
Thank you, Sabra. We're gonna need more than just Hendricks bragging. We need his files. So who's going this time?
He certainly does mix it up. Now he's looking for a DJ. Maybe he wants to cut a single with his Todger.
Wonderful.
I found someone who matches Hendrix's preferences, pushing you their location now.
You don't strike me as the kind of person who waits for someone to come save them. You ready to fight for freedom?
Are you DedSec? Oh, thank God. I need your help.
That's what we're here for. What's going on?
I think I was poisoned. I worked in an Albion warehouse, and whatever they had us hauling was pure poison. Once, I got so short of breath I nearly tumbled off scaffolding.
I'm really sorry to hear about that.
I complained to the regulators, but they told me they had insufficient evidence to investigate. Which is absolutely absurd. How could they possibly find sufficient evidence if they won't investigate?
Certainly sounds like Albion has the government by the short ears. Don't worry, we'll look into it for you.
Think so?
What now?
Hang on, I'm scanning every single government employee schedule for evidence of a cover-up. It takes oh, never mind, I'm done. Ah, here we are. A high-ranking Albion officer met a medium-ranking public health official on a boat in the middle of the Thames, right around when our contact got sick.
Nicely done, Bagley. Any chance that boat has a surveillance system we could access?
It's in London, so almost definitely. Pushing you the boat's current location now.
Sure, what the fuck is that?
The boat is moored nearby. You should be able to scrape some onboard surveillance data if you get close.
Copy.
There's the boat where the meeting took place. You can scrape the data from here.
Yeah.
Well, that's the end of that harassment campaign. I'll tell our prospect the good news. We're being contacted by our potential recruit. Patching them through now.
I officially owe you one, or two.
Now, I'm not saying you're us, but if you're giant dead sick, we'll call it even.
Fuck yeah, sign me up.
Sending you the data now.
I'll scrub through for evidence of the cover-up while you get out of there.
What do you have, Bagley?
That was quite the sinister conversation they had. Have a listen.
Next time you move ordnance that contain biohazardous materials through Clan Kelly's black market, make sure people don't die, okay? I don't want to have to cover this up for you again.
Well, it's certainly hard to get more incriminated than that. We should really clean up that waste before somebody get hurt.
Pushing you the location of the toxic ordnance now.
Your part, and together we can take London back. Be vigilant.
I'm here.
The biohazardous ordnance is nearby. It shouldn't poison you too much if you're quick about it.
Time to destroy a few things.
Isn't that much better? Glad we understand each other.
You hear something? This.
Authorities are here to protect you. Target resisting arrest. Using restraining measures.
You found it, now find some way to destroy it.
You're outmatched.
Done for.
You and me. You fuckwit.
Report all suspicious activities for your own safety.
Hello there.
There, good and fucked. Well done. You're winning this fight, one explosion at a time.
We are here to protect you, citizens of London.
DedSec took care of your problem.
I'm in your debt.
Want to put your skills to good use? DedSec is always up for new blood.
Consider me in.
I'm happy another person has woken up and wants to do the right thing.
I must say, I'm rather looking forward to the experience. Let's go hunt some baddies.
Fantastic.
You're up. And with any luck, Hendrix will be too. He'll be waiting for you in a gazebo near the Duck Cottage.
Pardon me.
Hendricks might be the randiest man on the planet, but he's not stupid. It'll take more than you batting your eyelashes to get those incriminating files on Heath out of him.
Let's do it. Good day.
Hey, sorry about the surroundings. I thought it might make a nice break from the pub, but now I feel like feeding the ducks and complaining about my back.
Don't get me started on my back.
Hopefully, that's where this ends.
We'll see. What do you say we start with a bit of conversation?
Sorry, couldn't resist. Come on, let's have a seat.
Your job sounds stressful.
Used to be. Since I've got that file, I take everything in stride, you know? Nothing worries me anymore.
You're not scared? I mean, it sounds like he's in with some nasty people. What if they... you know?
I have to admit, I'm getting off on the danger.
Funny you should say that.
Right.
Wild night, cuz.
Spare me. We have to get to his office computer. It's got an encrypted file detailing all of Heath's illicit transactions.
Sending the location, not the nicest area. And here, Hendricks seemed like such an innocent and clean-living fella.
Bloody hell, I didn't know what to say. Cheap. I told her I think about it and I've got this. Later, I spoke to my mum and she was... What do you think?
Now, isn't that interesting?
I hope this isn't a bad time, but we need your particular skill set for something.
Ready?
I'm gonna fucking cut you. What are you looking at?
The thing you're after is around here.
This spot will do. Now that's an improvement.
It's everyone's responsibility. Be mindful of your surroundings. Any suspicious activity.
What the hell? It's not too late to give up.
I'll have a look.
Coming for you.
Doesn't have to be like this.
What now? Go on.
You really think of something, don't you? Come on. Hey, I'm
Fucking hell. Here we go, fucker.
Oh, fuck! Oh, fuck! I'm moving up on him.
The irons, for fuck's sake.
Come on, then. Let's go.
Ah!
Oh, fuck! Now, I'm gonna move in for a peep. Let's do this shit. I'm going for a look.
What are you gonna do with that? Go on.
All good here so far.
Filming is commencing on the Global British Broadcasting Network. This area is being recorded by the GBB.
I have access to the system.
Leave it to me. I've cloned the drive, but I can't seem to read it. He's probably using a hardware security module for encryption. Without it, this will take a very, very long time. We can discuss it later. Get out of here.
You got a ball, Bagley.
I can decrypt it without Hendrix's master key, if you don't mind putting this project on the back burner for the next 26 years.
Don't tell me. Dead six back on the pool.
Quite. Hendrix has, of course, updated his dating preferences again. Eclectic bugger, isn't he?
Right, who's it going to be? Marie fucking Antoinette?
This time he's looking for a spy. Although I don't know what kind of spy would give away their secret identity on an unsecured anonymous dating site.
Right.
Hello, hello. Someone else sloughed off work and now it's your turn.
Great.
Hey, heads up. You've got a date tonight. I hope you didn't throw away all those handcuffs and waterboarding tables from your old work. Here's something fun. I was doing one of my routine head counts, and it turns out one of you is completely unaccounted for. Probably kidnapped.
Shit.
My thoughts exactly. I've run a psychological profile and GPS trace on every Londoner you've ever made an enemy of, and I think I found the likely culprit. Track her down, and she might lead you to your missing friend.
Fine. Leave it to me. Jesus Christ, I've got a drum with serious firepower on my arse.
Remember, we need that security key to bring Jack Heath and his co-conspirators to justice.
2 episodes. That's all I could watch. I don't know how you used to. You're not stupid. Don't you find it predictable?
Yes, those masks are really...
They said...
Awesome!
I mean, the fucking pavements around here are tighter than a clam's arse at high tide. We'll find someone with one of those big bastards and you gotta do the bloody limbo to get past. On the other hand, I have to imagine...
Are you all right?
Huh? Oh, yeah. I just lost something important.
Talk to me.
Sure, shall we? I've arranged something special. It was so fucking unnecessary what your sir's friends did to me at that checkpoint. I'd never been manhandled like that in all my life.
The fact of the matter is, most of the items that get confiscated at checkpoints don't get returned.
That can't happen with this. My life depends on it, literally.
Let me see what I can do.
I would be so grateful.
Grateful? Care to quantify that for me? Well, that was certainly a surprise.
Well, that explains why he wanted to date a spy. He needs someone to sneak into that facility and get his security key back. Think you're up to it?
Yes. This is a great spot for some art. Bam! A dash of dead sec.
Hendrix's decryption key will be on a USB drive somewhere on site. Remember, it's the only way we'll be able to decrypt the proof of Heath's misdeeds.
Investigating the...
What the heck?
Target resisting arrest. Using restraining measures. Keeping you safe.
Pressing target!
We are on alert for any incident.
Throwing attack drone! I'm approaching. Cover me.
Check the surroundings.
No one here.
Drone, begin a search.
Come out! Get...
Collidan!
There's the decryption key there.
Look around. No stone unturned. Drone, search.
I have it.
Good work. I'll decrypt and upload the files to Cairo while you get out of there. mean, who do they even think they're helping? It's not like anything they do is going to have a lasting effect. Incoming call from DedSec Cairo.
I don't know what to say, guys. I'm looking through Hendrix's file now. It's amazing. Wire transfers, secret bank accounts, client lists. Everything we need to nail them. Who said online dating doesn't work? I must say, it was a good little operation they had. Our corrupt little minister had the merch, and Heath had the contacts. That bastard may have friends in high places, but no one looks kindly on traitors. He is going down. The people of Egypt owe you guys a great debt of historic dimensions.
We're always happy to help. Thanks, Sabra. Child's play. This is exactly why I was recruited.
An international conspiracy to fund Egyptian terrorists by selling treasured antiquities has been uncovered by the resistance group known as DedSec. The plot implicates one of London's richest men, Jack Heath, the CEO of Evangeline's auction house, and the Egyptian cultural minister. Both men are currently in custody, awaiting trial in their respective countries.